Hello friends, welcome back to our channel again. Today we'll be going to have a look at an Nifty option strategy for this coming week, which is on 13th August. Okay, so first let's analyze an Nifty. So Nifty is like slowly it's moving on upside after this Corona's down moment, right? So we'll be drawing a trend line. Okay, so if you look at the trend line, right, so here it is making an taking the support on this trend line for multiple times. So here you can see it took a support, and again once more time it took a support at this trend line, and again it fall down, a small down move, and after that it took a support at this trend line, right? So it is not breaking this trend line for like almost like for past 3-4 months. Okay, so now also we are going to take a trend line as a support for this week. Okay, so let me draw an horizontal line. Sorry. Okay, so if you look at the 13th is an expiry date. So if you look at the 13th, so it's showing the support us at the level of 11,145. Okay, so we are assuming that this 11,145 will act as an support for this current week, and it will expire above this level for this 13th August expiry. Okay, and we need to look at the resistance level as well. So here you can see that, so it made the recent high of like at the level of 10,350, and here you can see that this level will act as a immediate resistance for this Nifty for this current week. Okay, so assuming that Nifty will expire somewhere between 11,400 and 11,150. Okay, so based on this we are going to create an option strategy to benefit from this moment. Okay, so we are going to take a neutral strategy, not a directional view. Okay, so this is an open interest. So if you look at the open interest, you can see that so 11,000 is having a more put option writings, so it will act as an resistance level, support level, and even if you look at the 11,100, this is also having a more number of open interest. Okay, so after that if you look at the call side, so this which is an 11,300 is having a more number of option writing on the call side, so which will act as an resistance. Okay, so based on the chart, 11,100 and 11,400 is an support and resistance for the current week. Okay, so based on that we are going to create an option strategy. Okay, so and also if you look at the max pain, right, so it is, once again let me go back into the open interest page. So if you look at the max pain, that is at the level of 11,200, so which is also saying that the Nifty will expire above 11,150 and below the 11,400 levels. Okay, so we can considering this as a level for this current week. So based on that we can derive an option strategy. Okay, so I am choosing an option and I'll be choosing the 13th August. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to sell 11,300 call option for this current week, which is trading at the level of 60. Okay, and to hedge this position we need to buy one option. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hedge this with the monthly option at the same strike price. Okay, so at the 11,300 strike price I'm going to buy it for the call side. Okay, so now if you look at the payoff graph, this is the payoff graph. So but we have an immediate, if market tends to move downside immediately, then our position will get loose. Okay, so what we are going to do is we need to do some more options so that we can move our downside break even further little bit. Okay, so for that what we are going to do is we are going to sell 11,000. We'll try with the 11,200 PE. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to sell 11,200 put option, and I'm going to buy 11,200 monthly same put options. Okay, I'm going to buy so that my position will be getting hedged. So now if you look at this, so based on the chart of our support and resistance level is at the level of 11,100 and 11,400 level. So this is our payoff graph now. So after making this option strategy, So this is the break evens, okay, and we have a maximum profit of 6,000 and maximum loss is 17,000, but in here we won't get the maximum loss, which is like if the market moves below 10,500, only then we'll be facing this maximum loss. And even if the upside, if market moves above 12,000, only then our maximum loss will get triggered. Okay, so we have a break even. So either you can have a stop loss at this level. So if market moves either below this level or above this level, you can square off your position with the stop loss, or else you can do the simple adjustments. So adjustments can be if market moves upside, you can roll up your put option, and if market moves downside, then you can roll down your sold call option. Okay, so only we are going to touch the sold options here. We are not going to do any adjustments for the buy option, bought option. So only roll up or roll down your sold call or put option based on the Nifty's movement. Okay, so that needs to be that movement, roll up or rolling up or rolling down needs to be done only if market is moving up or down with the max pain. Okay, if max pain is also moving with the market, then we need to do these adjustments, or else like we can hold the position so that market may move down and it can reverse back, or if it can move upside and it can come down. Okay, so this is a simple strategy, friends. So hope you guys have liked this video. So what we have done is we have sold 11,300 call option at the weekly and bought the 11,300 at call option at the monthly options. Okay, so hope you guys have liked this video. So please do subscribe to the channel and also click on the bell icon so that you will be getting notification whenever we upload any new videos. And if you're watching our video for the first time, then I request you to watch all our videos which we have uploaded for multiple option strategies and its adjustments as well. Okay, so thanks for watching, friends. Stay tuned. And also we'll be posting our Telegram channel's link, so where we'll be posting any adjustment if required. We will be posting the adjustments on our Telegram channel as well. So thanks for watching.